guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tifany here. Well guys, today I'm bringing you guys one more episode for the food series, and that will be the episode 10. I hope you guys like the video and the recipe itself, and let's get into it. Well guys, it's all for today. I hope you did enjoy the video and the recipe itself. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share with your friends and family members. Turn your notifications on so you can be notified whenever I post. Guys, I did put a warning there. Don't forget to follow that specific orientation because I did a mistake while doing this recipe. I did pour the dough in a smaller container, so don't make the same mistake. Use a bigger container so it don't spill all over your oven. And follow me on Instagram, DM me for any ideas, content and everything. I'll be there for you guys. Be safe.